Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how you can convert a DAT to MP4. So usually the DAT is from your DVD and you can convert this type of file into the MP4 format. You can go to there's a lot of video converter, but usually I use this online convert.com. You can choose the file, the DAT file here. Then you can start, but remember you have to sign up first. You can choose the preset here, for example, and optional video setting, leave it be. If you don't know how you can change it, and you can start from here. So there are so many converter that you can try. There is a Movavi, media.io, Wondershare, and so on. Feel free to try. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, and so click this button below. See you in the next